In the heart of ancient lands, where the wind carried secrets and the earth trembled at the command of kings, there ruled a prophet, no ordinary king, but Solomon, the wise, a man who spoke the language of beasts, birds, and the unseen. His army was like no other, men, jinn, and creatures of the sky, all under his command. But one day something unusual happened. A tiny bird with shimmering feathers, the hoopoe, darts into the scene, landing before Solomon. Solomon firmly, where is the hoopoe? Why is he absent? He shall answer to me, unless he brings a reason beyond imagination. And then the hoopoe returned, eyes gleaming, feathers ruffled from flight. Hoopoe, panting but proud, Almighty Solomon, I have seen what you have not. A distant land, Saba, ruled by a queen, beautiful, powerful, but lost in the worship of the sun. Solomon's eyes burned with purpose. A message must be sent. A chance, not to conquer, but to enlighten. The hoopoe flies off with a scroll tied to his leg, soaring across vast deserts and mountains. Thus began a journey of wisdom, power, and faith, where even the smallest of creatures became a messenger of truth. Moral: the story highlights the importance of seeking truth, spreading wisdom, and recognizing that even the smallest beings can carry great messages.